channel. My name is Claudia if you're new, and I post videos on everything pretty much: fashion, beauty, lifestyle, couples, and everything like that related. So today's video is going to be an unboxing of Gucci. It is going to be my birthday in January, so I went ahead and got a couple things that I liked. And yeah, so if you like unboxings and you want to know what I got, just keep on watching. So the very first thing I want to show you guys is like the box that they gave me. So I got two things, and it just comes in this pretty, like, not box, bag. I don't even know what I'm saying anymore, but it comes in this beautiful bag, and then it comes with a bow on top. And then I'm just gonna unwrap it and show you guys. Of course, I already know what I got, but I wanted to show you guys. So the very first thing I have on here, it comes in this beautiful dust bag, and it has like the Gucci dust bag and everything like that. These dust bags are so beautiful, like they're like satiny material, and they feel amazing, and they're very good because they protect your items. So I'm just gonna open it up. So I already took like the wrapping stuff out, but this is the very first thing that I got. Let me just go ahead and get it closer to you guys. And this is the beautiful logo that it has. I absolutely love this logo. It's beautiful. And then this side is black. It's just like this, and then this side, it is a beautiful red color. And yeah, so it's gold, black, and red. I got it in this combination because I think black goes with everything, and then red is a very classic and beautiful color. And then you can put like a all black outfit on or all white outfit on, and then put the red belt, and it'll look amazing. And then it's also my favorite color, so I just love it. And I got this combination because of that. And it just has like Gucci right here. But yeah, it's very beautiful. I love the material, like how it feels. And I love the buckle. That's what I fell in love with, because it just looks so classic and beautiful. Everyone has like the other GG type of belt. Everyone has that one, so I was like, you know what, I'll just go for something that not a lot of people have, and that you don't see out very often. So this is the one that I decided to go for, and I am absolutely in love with it. I'll do like a review after, just so you guys know how like it wears and things like that. Once I actually wear it, I'll actually be wearing tonight, because today is New Year's Eve. So I'll be wearing it today. I'm using my things very fast, but I love it. Okay, so that's that. It's gonna be very quick unboxing, by the way, because I just got two things. But the very next item in the bag comes in this gorgeous little box. Is a how do you call it? A purse? No, it's not a purse. Yeah, is it a purse? I think it's called a purse. I don't even know how these things are called, but you can take it out of the bag, and it comes with the beautiful dust bag again, so you can protect your items. And then once you open it, there is what I got. Look how beautiful this is. So it's literally the GG logo, which everyone loves, but then it has this beautiful bow on top of it that just makes it absolutely beautiful. I am so in love with this item. It is so beautiful. It holds everything in here. I'll show you inside. It holds everything you can imagine. I didn't want to get just like a regular card holder, because that literally just holds your cards, but this, best thing you could ever get. So I'm gonna open it for you guys. So this is the inside. So it literally has pockets for cards right here, like 3 of them. It has some more here, like 3 slots for the cards. And then it has a coin purse in here. So like I'm telling you guys, it has everything you need. You don't have to buy a separate coin purse or anything like that. This has everything. So this is how it looks in the inside. Let me see if you can see. So inside it has kind of like satin lining too, and then it has those beautiful flowers inside. It's absolutely stunning. But yeah, that's the coin part. And then what impressed me the most is most of the time these type of things, they don't come with a place to put your cash, so I just usually put it in that like coin part. But this one comes with a place to put your cash in. It is absolutely amazing. So the cash part also comes with that beautiful lining, as you can see, like the satin with the beautiful like flowers. They're roses, and then that's where you can put your cash. So you can put your cash right here, a lot of cards, like 6 cards, or I mean, if you can even double the cards so you can put more in there, and then the little spot for your coins. So I am so in love with this. This is absolutely amazing, and I am in love with the items I purchased. I'll be starting to wear this already. I actually had my things in here already to see if they fit. They did, but I just took them out for the video. But yeah, absolutely in love with everything that I got. I just wanted to show you guys, and hopefully you get some inspiration from the video and inspires you to go out and get something new for your birthday or for the New Year's or for whatever you like. But yeah, that's gonna be all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and let me know what other types of videos you would like to see in the future. And yeah, just leave me comments, subscribe, like, and everything like that. I love you guys. Bye.